Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Savana, and today I want to talk about a little bit of a heavy subject, but I'm really passionate about spreading awareness because of my experience with this condition. So just stay tuned to find out a little bit more. I'm going to talk a little bit about the condition, the signs and symptoms so you know for your pets, and then I will go into my personal story about the condition. So today we are going to be talking about GDV. This video actually kind of goes along with a blog post that I made, so if you prefer to kind of read about things more so than listen about them, then you can click the link down below. I'll put my blog post down there. I have it pulled up on my phone here just so I can refer to it to make sure that I don't forget anything. So today we're talking about gastric dilation, also known as GDV, or very commonly known as bloat. This can happen in dogs and cats, but larger breeds are more prone to this. Bloat occurs when there is a rapid accumulation of air in the dog's stomach, causing them to bloat. Now, the signs and symptoms that you want to look for in your dog or cat are drooling, becoming anxious, acting restless, swollen stomach, looking at their stomach, pacing, and trying to vomit but nothing comes up. It's very important that you pay attention to these symptoms because bloat can turn deadly fast. In most situations, it can be fixed with just a surgery, but sometimes it can cause death in pets. If dogs or cats with bloat get worse, some of the symptoms that you may notice are pale gums, elevated heartbeat, collapse, shortness of breath, feeling weak, or unable to properly walk. Vets aren't really sure all of the causes of bloat, but some of the things they think that do contribute to bloat are eating from raised food and water bowls, having one large meal a day, so your dog or cat should be having spaced out meals throughout the day, eating too fast, running or playing after eating. This is debated by vets, but I thought I would just add that in anyways. Also hereditary, so if they have a family member that had bloat, and also stress. Unfortunately, the length of time that you have to seek medical attention for your dog or cat that has bloat really depends on the severity of the case and on the pet. Some animals can have a low level of bloat for a long time before it turns deadly, and some might turn deadly within an hour. In many acute cases, surgery may be the only option to save their life. When this happens, the stomach may need to be repositioned or tacked to the abdominal wall. When they do tack it to the wall, it is impossible for the pet to develop bloat again. Since vets don't exactly know what causes bloat, it's hard to know how to prevent it, but some of the things that they do recommend are not having raised food and water bowls, feeding more than one time a day, smaller meals throughout the day. If your dog tends to eat fast or doesn't chew, try a slow feeder or putting their food in a Kong to help slow them down. Although this is debated to whether it can cause bloat or not, you can try limiting your dog's exercise right after they have just had their meal. If you got your dog from a breeder, ask if any of the parents or related litters have experienced bloat so you have the knowledge of whether your dog or cat is predisposed to this condition. And also, some studies show feeding dogs more whole and raw foods found to help with bloat, just because kibble is full of carbohydrates and that can cause some bloating in the stomach. I guess now I will just get into my personal experience with bloat and why I'm so passionate about educating people about it.